Hey everybody, welcome back to the Fox Shop Barbecue channel. I'm Jody. Tonight we are having what is called oven fried chicken. Actually, it is called Grandma's oven fried chicken. So that's what we're gonna do. I have my chicken down here. We have chicken legs. I don't know what it is with John and chicken legs, but we have chicken legs and I have dried them. They were kind of wet, so I dried them off because they'll take up the flour better. So in the oven, I have a pan with a quarter of a stick of butter on it, and it's melting. And when that gets melted and I get done flouring the chicken, then we'll put the chicken on the pan skin side down first. Okay. First thing what I need is I need 1 cup of flour. And there we are. Next, I'm adding, it just has pepper, paprika, and salt. But I'm adding some garlic to it. Garlic goes with everything. Alright, there's some garlic. Next is some pepper. And then it calls for 2 teaspoons of salt, but I don't think I'm going to put that much salt in here. There we go. All right. Teaspoon of paprika. And I'm going to take some rosemary leaves. Put some in my hand, like right there, and I'm just gonna grind them up a little bit. I think that would be really, really delicious. All right. Take my teaspoon here. It says in the recipe to use a brown bag and shake up the chicken. That's what my grandma used to do, but I don't have a brown bag. So I'm going to put a tidge more paprika in it. There we go. All right, I'm checking on my pan here. The butter has melted, so I'm going to take the pan out, swirl it all around here on my, there we go. All right, now we're taking our chicken legs. And I'm just going to put a few in here. All right. 1 clean hand, 1 dirty hand. That's how it usually goes. All right. Get it all nice and covered here. Now you want to put this down on the pan, skin side down. And that is because once you flip it over, you will have a beautiful brown skin. I'm gonna space these out a little bit. take more of my chicken here. I'm just gonna put the rest of it in here. We don't have that many. Well, we don't have that many pieces of leg here. All right, my legs here. Okay, there we go. Now what I'm doing is after I get these coated, I'm just taking them right over, as you see, to my pan, because I want these, I want to get these chickens on, because it takes 30 minutes for the first side and 30 minutes for the second time. So, whoops, you guys almost fell. What the heck is going on here? There we go. So, a total time an hour. And this recipe actually comes from Jennifer at A Country Life. She made this one day, or one evening for her family, and she used a lot of chicken. She filled that pan up. I'm not going to fill the pan up, so, all right. There we go. Let's take these two on over here. There's that and that one. Here's these two. Shake them off. Shake your legs off, ladies. Okay. Put them down. All right. Set that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in for 30 minutes. There we go. There you go. And I'm going to cook them for 30 minutes. Then when that 30 minutes gets done, I will bring you back, show you how they are flipped over, and then I'll cook them for another 30, and I'll come back and show you after that. Hang on. All right, we're back, everybody. I'm back. Sorry about not showing you how the chicken looked when I turned it. John was in here and we were talking, so I just turned it over. I do apologize about that. But here is our plates. Look at the yumminess. This is John's plates, of course, because his has broccoli. Ugh. Chicken, look at this chicken. I'm gonna, hear that? How about that? That is oven fried chicken. That looks absolutely delicious. So, I will put the recipe down below for you guys. It's really easy. You can have whatever you want on the sides. John and I are kind of getting tired of potatoes, and that's because we have a crock pot with ham, bacon, and potato soup in the refrigerator, and we're tired of potatoes. So if you liked what I've done here today, give me a big thumbs up, comments go down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell so you know when we put out a new video. Have a great night.